Hello praisers and savers, my name is Sandy and welcome back to my channel. Today is February the 12th and we are headed into Target. We are using only our phone to get all of these amazing deals today. No paper coupons needed. Remember, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. You may either print it off or just pull it up on your phone to take in the store with you. No need to write anything down. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. Please join me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, on all my platforms. Also, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Let's get started. The very first deal is on this Colgate Total whitening toothpaste. This is the larger ones. These are the 5.1 ounces. They're usually $4.99. Target has a ton of clearance items out right now. So these are 50% off with the clearance, making each one just $2.49. There is a $3 coupon on the coupons.com app. All you do is you scan both of these and you'll get $3 back. So on these, you're just going to be paying 99 cents after using this $3 coupon when you buy two. Now, we have another deal. That's a 99-cent deal, and this is going to be on the Revlon lipstick. These are $5.99, and there's a promotion going on right now. If you spend $25 in Target products, you'll get back a $5 gift card. Now, it's on certain skincare, makeup, and nail purchases. So we're going to be picking up 5 of these. And then we're also going to be submitting to IBOTTA app for $4 back on all of them. So you'll be able to get that $4 back times 5. So that's $20 in IBOTTA rebates. So here's the math. These are $5.99. When we buy 5, it will be $29.95. Then we'll get back a $5 gift card after our purchase, which will make our total $24.95. Then we'll get back $20 in IBOTTA, making these $4.95 or just 99 cents each. Awesome deal. I did not do this deal, but this is one of those deals that you can do whenever you're doing a pickup or same-day delivery, and it's going to double dip. So what that means is you'll be able to get that $5 circle offer back when you spend $25 on skincare, makeup, and nail purchases, and then you'll also get another $5 gift card when you buy 4 select personal care items. Now, I scan these small Vaselines. They're $1.89. You could scan if you wanted to buy $25 worth, you could, and you'll get back $5 in one gift card and $5 in another gift card, but it has to be a pickup or same-day delivery for that double dip, getting $10 back in gift card. So just a good little deal on those. Now, this is a shampoo that I've never seen before. It's called Pure Zero, and I actually found it on the bottom shelf where all like the nicer shampoos are. These are $5.99 each, and I was really excited about this. So we have a $3 coupon on the Target app. We also have a 40% off. Now, that 40% off equates to $2.40. So with that $3 coupon and that $2.40, it's going to make each of these just 59 cents. But then I was kind of bummed because I wanted the conditioner as well, and I didn't want to pay for it. So there's a coupon on the coupons.com app. So I was able to get the $3 coupon on the Target app on the shampoo and that 40% off. Then I was able to get the $3 coupon on the coupons app, and then that 40% off came off as well. So I was able to get the shampoo for 59 cents and the conditioner for 59 cents. So great deal on these. This next deal is my deal of the day. This is going to be on the Finish Quantum dish detergent. These are $7.19 each. What you're going to do is pick up 2 of these. Your total will be $14.38. There is a $7 IBOTTA rebate when you buy 2 of these. So make sure you get the right size. That's a huge rebate. In addition to that, we also have a $2 coupon on the Target app. And we also have a $2 coupon on the coupons.com app. You can do that since you're buying 2 bags. So the coupon on the Target app will go for 1, and the coupon on the coupons app will go for the other. That's a really great deal. So with the $4 in coupons and the $7 IBOTTA, your total is going to be $3.38 or $1.69 each on these. So I saw a lot of people talking about this last week, and I was so glad I was still able to do it this week. This is going to be a great deal, and we're going to be spending just $2 on these Gain and Downy products. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the Gain products that are $9.99 and the Downy products that are $9.99. Sorry, I did not take a picture of the Gain products that were $9.99. So anyways, so we're going to pick up 2 of them at $9.99. Our total is going to be $19.98 when we buy 2 of them. You have to buy 2. The great thing about this deal is that we have some high-valued IBOTTA rebates on these. Now, make sure you're scanning the items you're getting, you're checking, because there's all different sizes and all different rebates on the IBOTTA app right now. These are all a limit of 1, but because you can get different kinds, you can get away with this. So what I did was I got a Gain that was $10, and I got a Downy that was $10. So, sorry. Yes, $10. And then I was able to get back $5 on IBOTTA for the Gain, and I was able to get back $5 on IBOTTA for the Downy. So that's $10 I'm getting back on IBOTTA. In addition to that, I had a 50-cent coupon on the Gain on the Target app, and then I had a 50-cent coupon on the Downy on the Target app. Those 50-cent coupons are not high-value coupons, but anything counts. Make sure you're scanning everything on the Target app to see what coupons apply, because I didn't even realize there were 50-cent coupons. So that's $1 with both of those. And then I'm going to get back $5 in gift cards after I check out. So with the $10 in IBOTTA, the $1 coupon, the $5 gift card, my total is $3.98 or just $2 each for these. Awesome deal. The next thing is going to be on these Airwicks. This is not an insane deal, but we do use these Airwicks quite often, so I do like to stock up on these when I do see them. And this is a high-valued coupon from the Coupons app. So these Airwick Essential Mist are $5.79. We're going to pick up 2 of them, so our total will be $11.58. We have a $6 coupon from the Coupons app that we will activate. So our total will be $5.58, or it's going to be just $2.53 for each of the Airwicks. So I think this is a great, great deal on these. All of the deals that you see coming for the end of this video are going to be the clearance items that are on the baby stuff at Target. There are a ton of things, and I'm sure your store varies according to what's in stock. But this is the time right now to go buy things if you know you have baby showers coming up, or if you just need it for your own self at home. They had tons of different pack and plays, high chairs, bassinets, strollers, anything that was like a big ticket item that you could think of, they had in the store. They even had combo car seats with the stroller combo. So if this is something that you are needing to get, please continue to watch towards the end of the video, and I have everything that you need taken pictures of with the prices. And like I said, 50% off is not a bad deal at all on these items.